welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to do a decluttering, wait, I can't talk, my vanity and my Alex drawers. So I really want to organize. Look at my earrings. I'm wearing my Amazon earrings. I did a video on it, and I'm wearing a necklace because it's 2021 New Year. I'm going to be start wearing more jewelry because it's just been sitting there. When I don't see it, I don't wear it. So I want to start wearing jewelry, and this is my OOTD. I'm wearing this shirt from Forever 21. It's a nude crop top, and I'm just wearing some leggings, basic. But look, guys, look at my makeup. Looks pretty good. So okay, first of all, as I was saying, we're going to declutter stuff inside my vanity, the things I don't want. I want to clear it out because I want to organize it so I can have a new vanity, like, you know, just very organized stuff, because in there it's not organized. It's like, it's organized, but there's so much junk in there. Oh my god, the lighting though. So, and I also want to declutter here because I have a bunch of junk. Like, look at all, like, look at that junk, and I want to organize it and put whatever my jewelry is in here, and I want to like organize it and put it in here. Or we keep watching this video, please subscribe, turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video so you won't forget any videos I post. So let's get started. So let me show y'all like an idea. Like, that's ugly to me. Like, I can't stand this. I don't know where anything's at, so I want to clear it all and just organize more. See, like, I have body lotion in there. It doesn't make sense. See, this is a little bit organized, but still want to be more organized. See, it's just like not my favorite. So, and I kind of organized this already, and I already kind of organized this, so I just want to like deep clean whatever's in here. I think I got it from Dollar Tree or Walmart. It's just like white marble. It's just like sticky paper, but I'm gonna cut it out to the length inside the drawer so I can have a really clean base. Because I don't know if you can see, I have this kind of thing under, but like once the heat, it got really ugly under the bottom on some of the drawers, and I don't like that anymore. So I'm gonna throw this away, and I'm gonna put this marble stuff right under it so it can look really cute. So we're gonna do that later until I clear out all my drawers. So yeah. So much already in here, and another bag full in here already. So 2 bags, but like I'm doing like some old makeup, so like when I organize, it's gonna be like barely any, but like, you know, I like to get more makeup so I can add more. So I have everything on the floor right now. This side's already done. These are already done. Let me show you. I try my best cleaning them. This is a kind of a random decluttering video, honestly, but this is kind of mine. So like I kind of cleaned them. Like some of them you can see, like it's a little dirty, but I don't want to keep rubbing it because this wood will like come. It'll get ugly. I think it's particle wood. So it might get ugly, so like I don't want to keep rubbing it. So that's how far I've gone. Ooh, I can't wait when it looks marble inside because it looks super cute. I love the vibe because it's like a white marble, so it looks good. It will look good inside. So when you open it up, you'll be like, ooh, she's got marble inside. You're like, girl, yeah, look at that. Okay, so I'm gonna start measuring out. So I'm gonna do one side each. I think I've used this already because I don't know if y'all can see. Y'all see that? That looks gorgeous. I think I'm gonna want it maybe. Not too sure. I think that's I really wish it'll fit, honestly, but it doesn't really fit. But I'm still gonna cut it again because I kind of cut it crooked. So I'm gonna cut it one more time. Because whenever I want to change it out, I can just slide it out. So that's what it looks like right now. It's a little like crinkly because it's been rolled up, but that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna open up. I have some marble. So when there's stuff in here, it'll flatten out, but that's what it looks like. I want to start collecting like more press-on nails because like I hardly get my nails done because they're expensive sometimes. So I'm gonna start collecting nails. So if you have any ideas of kind of press-on nails I really love, leave a comment down below, or you can send a DM to me on Instagram because I really love that. This is another, you can see those are Kiss Jelly ones. So I kind of organize my makeup one, but once I get more containers, I'll organize it how I want it. So that's what it looks like. It looks really better, really empty. Now freaking start looking at it. I'm just gonna start putting everything back, but the only didn't have anything for these two drawers. I'll put this powder away. Matte shade. So I'm for sure doing like the rest of the palettes. So I'm gonna throw away like little mini old ones. And here I believe I already cleaned out. It's just I have like little organizers and then just like my traveling bag. So now I'm gonna try to organize my other drawers. That's a lot and that's crazy. So I'll put this off to the side. I'm tired. Really tired. Oh my god, I'm really tired. My back hurts. I'll catch y'all back later when I put everything in there and organize it, and then I'll get to my Alex drawers. So I'll catch y'all later. Okay, but look what's all I did just from doing all drawers except for the last two because I don't know what to do with that drawer, and I'm like so confused what to do because I left this one as like my my sunglass drawer, and I want these to be two of my jewelry drawers. But like I have nowhere to put all this other shit, and I'm asking my mom for help because I don't know how to clean what should I keep or not. So I'm gonna ask for her help, and it's a lot. So I'll talk to her when I'm done. Hey boos, so it is the next day, and I don't know if I told y'all, but like I ran out of the surface paper for my insert in my drawer, so I went to Walmart. Oh my god, the glare! I went to Walmart and I went to go find some. I didn't find the exact one, but it's close enough and it's super cute. And it's like $5. So it's the easy liner. And this is gonna look really cute. So I'm gonna put them in the last two drawers. And then I'm gonna put the rest in my. I've been cleaning all day the past 2 days, and I finally cleaned out my closet. And I cleaned out like 5 big trash bags and some containers that I didn't use. So I'm pretty happy, and my room feels really clean. So 2021 room tour. So let's get right into this because I want to see how it looks. I finally got done. It took me like 2 hours, but I finally got it done, and I wanted to show you like the results and how it came out. So this is what it looks like. It looks super good. Boos. Just look how beautiful it looks. Yeah, but some like I cut a little crooked, but you know it's okay. But like, girl, it looks so good. Like, oh, I'm in love. Oh my god. And then like that's that print, and then this is where's I'll show you on the side because you see this is a different marble, but like it's gorgeous. So look at the organization. It looks good, but I'm debating if I should like move my vanity more where my mirror is at and just flip my mirror on this side. I'm really debating if I should. I'm gonna try it out and see how it looks, and if I don't like it, I'll just put it back. Hey Liz, it's like the third day. Oh my god. But as I was saying right here that I was gonna move my room around, well, I did that yesterday and it did not look good. I hated it. It made my room look smaller than how it is because I was trying to make my room as big as I could to give like more space, but it didn't work out, so I didn't do that. But I did go today, and I went to go get some containers. So look out probably next week. A vanity tour because your girl's excited. I can't wait to show you all my vanity. And I really liked how my stuff came out. It looks super good. I can't wait to buy more makeup because I'm gonna put more in my vanity. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys like my declutter video. But yeah, this was. Hope you guys liked my video. I didn't show you yesterday my decluttering of my axe drawers because my mom helped me and it was just so much and it just took a long time, so I didn't record everything. But just to let you know, I did fill up 5 big trash bags full of junk from my vanity, from my axe drawer, and from my closet. Like I really deep cleaned my room, so I'm kind of happy. My room looking really cute. So my drawers are very clean. I'll definitely do a vanity tour and an Alex drawer, and later on I'll do definitely a room tour. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn on your notifications to be notified every time I post a new video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.